Welcome to our training video on workplace safety, where we will explore the importance of maintaining a safe work environment. In any work environment, safety must always be a top priority to prevent accidents and injuries. Identifying common hazards is crucial to understanding the risks associated with different work environments. Proper safety practices and the use of appropriate protective equipment are essential to prevent workplace accidents. By implementing preventive measures, we can create a safe and healthy work environment for everyone. Remember, workplace safety is everyone's responsibility, and together, we can ensure a safe work environment.
Hi, today we will talk about bloodborne pathogens. Pathogens, which are harmful microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi, can be transmitted in several ways and cause infections. Understanding their transmission methods is crucial for implementing effective prevention and control strategies. Here's a breakdown of how pathogens are transmitted and how to prevent infection, along with safe handling and disposal procedures for potentially infectious materials. Transmission of pathogens. Direct contact, transmission, through physical contact with an infected person, for example, touching, kissing. Prevention. Avoid direct contact with infected individuals. Use personal protective equipment, PPE, when necessary. Indirect contact, transmission, via contaminated surfaces or objects, for example, doorknobs, utensils. Prevention. Regularly disinfect surfaces. Avoid sharing personal items. Practice good hygiene. Droplet transmission. Transmission. Through respiratory droplets when an infected person coughs or sneezes. Prevention. Maintain social distancing. Wear masks. Cover mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Airborne transmission. Transmission. Through tiny pathogen-laden particles lingering in the air. Prevention. Ensure good ventilation. Use air purifiers. Wear high-efficiency masks in high-risk areas. Vector-borne transmission. Transmission. Through bites of infected vectors like mosquitoes or ticks. Prevention. Use insect repellent. Wear protective clothing. Avoid vector-prone areas. Food and waterborne transmission. Transmission. Through consuming contaminated food or water. Prevention. Practice safe food handling. Drink purified water. Cook food thoroughly. Safe handling of potentially infectious materials. Use of PPE. Wear gloves, masks, gowns, and eye protection when handling infectious materials. A hand hygiene. Wash hands thoroughly with soap and water before and after handling materials. Avoid splashes and spills. Handle materials carefully to prevent accidents. Use of safety equipment. Utilize safety cabinets or other containment devices when working with infectious materials. Proper disposal of contaminated materials. Sharps disposal. Dispose of needles, scalpels, and other sharps in designated sharps containers. Biohazard waste. Contaminated materials like gloves, gowns, and bandages should be disposed of in biohazard bags. Regulated waste. Follow local regulations for the disposal of regulated waste materials. Decontamination. Use appropriate disinfectants to clean surfaces and equipment after use. Conclusion. Preventing the transmission of pathogens requires a combination of personal hygiene, environmental cleanliness, and awareness of how these microorganisms spread. Safe handling and proper disposal of potentially infectious materials are critical in healthcare settings and laboratories to prevent the spread of infections. Regular training and adherence to safety protocols are essential for effective infection control.